here we have come to a certain family in a Bugandara village, Kitumba sub-county. We have found a complicated household which has limited access to all basic needs. They cannot provide food for themselves. They cannot buy clothes for themselves. As you can see these children, you can see the shelter, the format, everything here. We found them in a demanding situation. The father, as now I talk, I have found him not around. He has a chronic disease of diabetes. He's in the hospital with the mother of these children. It is a family of 9 children, but currently I have found these 2 and the older brother who is now taking care of these guys that are left here. As you can see, this home really needs help. It is alarming. We therefore call upon you out there to come and cooperate with KCCF to help this family. Kitumba Community Caregivers Foundation hears the cry of the suffering. We are here and we are ready to work with you. Please, if you can do something to this family, the situation is alarming. Please come and work with us. Thank you.